What is up guys, Observation King here with you again in 2022, and in this video I want to talk about why you actually shouldn't be overwintering your strawberries that you've been growing outside, why you shouldn't overwinter them indoors. Now when winter started in 2021, I actually decided to conduct an experiment which would allow me to see which strawberries fared better, whether the ones that I was keeping outdoors like here or the ones that I brought inside. Now, at first, the ones that were inside for the first 2 months or so were actually doing a lot better. But I realized that as time went by, they were actually starting to lose leaves quickly, and they were growing the leaves back, but they were smaller and smaller, and eventually the plants died. Now, this is them right here. If I can just show you. That's what they look like now. Completely dead, with no sign of regeneration. These were indoors, in warmer temperatures, and that's what they look like now. So if you're growing strawberry plants outside, don't be afraid to leave them outside. Strawberries are very hardy. Like roses, they can resist a lot. Insects, temperature, they're very hardy. So if you want to grow them, or if you're about to grow them, please don't overwinter them indoors, because at first you'll think, oh wow, you know, it's doing really well. It's actually looking quite lush. But after a few months, it's just going to start dying off. So these ones over here, I'll actually be transplanting them in the allotment later on in this year. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, guys. And please make sure to actually check my description, because I have actually started a new blog in the new year. So please check that out, and please subscribe and actually hit the bell notification so you can see all of my future videos which will be coming this year. Alright guys, I'm out.